Hello.
MTV Cribs, open up.
Hi guys, I'm Kelly. We are staying at the Hilton Anaheim. We're right next to Disneyland. And Kaya stayed here a couple years ago when she was at a DECA convention. We booked this trip last minute. We got a pretty decent rate. But we got an upgrade on this room, which is super cool. Shout out to Ann at the desk. So this is a big Hilton Convention Center right next door. It's probably 10-15 minute walk to Disneyland. I'm going to show you our room real quick because it's a beautiful room, lots of space. I'm going to have you check it out. This is the first time I've stayed here and I'm impressed already. So we got a bathroom, nicely lit mirror. We got some amenities here. I don't know what this is. Some kind of funky sponge situation. Crabtree and Evelyn soap on the wall too. Nice lighted mirror. Pretty decent towels. Everything's really, really clean. Nice big shower. And, just like a handheld kind of thingy situation. I think we'll figure that out in the morning. Of course, every bathroom needs a toilet. This is a barn door. Surprise! So this room does have a closet that you can store your things in. We've got a nice big safe here, luggage rack, ironing board, some hangers, shelf up top. Doesn't look like we have extra blankets, but that's okay. Here is the thermostat. This bad boy works really well. Look how it goes down to 63. Like frigid. That's like icebox kind of cold. We have 2 queen size beds. We just got here, so can't tell you if they're comfortable or not, but they feel pretty nice. Some drawers, some space for your luggage. We have a little fridge, cute little fridge. And we have a big kind of desk area here. La la la. Nice big TV, pretty mirror, nice lights, and a table right here if you want to, have some in-room dining situation. We have some beautiful, almost floor-to-ceiling windows. 3/4 windows. Does this go? They are floor-to-ceiling windows. If you look all the way up there, that goes all the way to the ceiling. The upgrade on this room we got was awesome. We're going to shut some lights off, and we're going to show you the upgrade we got. The pool is right below us. Nice looking pool. Big pool. We've got a couple of hot tubs down there, lots of lounge chairs, big pool deck area, lots of nice places to sit, it looks like. We may show you around tomorrow down in the pool area a little bit closer if we don't get to it because we're busy. We're here at Disneyland for just a couple of nights. That's what it looks like. We're going to try to show you up close, but if we don't, you get the bird's eye view. The cool upgrade we got, look. That is California Adventure right in front of us. You can see Mickey's Fun Wheel kind of doing its little light show thingy. And we got the Zephyr. I can also see a little bit of Cars Land. And straight out in front of us, that is Teeny Tiny Castle of Disneyland. You can see kind of the main entrance there, down Main Street, Disney. That is Sleeping Beauty Castle. And then just over to the right, the big tall building is Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. So we got an awesome upgraded view. If they do fireworks tonight, we'll be able to see the fireworks from here, which is super freaking cool. So that is the awesome upgrade that Ann gave us from this hotel. Loving it already. We got a pretty decent rate on this room. With our ticket package. Let's turn some lights back on. When we go downstairs in the morning, I'll show you the lobby. The lobby is huge. This is a convention center hotel, so there is a convention going on right now. I don't know if it's an anime convention or what, but a lot of people milling around downstairs. But I will show you the lobby. There's a Starbucks here in this hotel. There's a gift shop. There's a restaurant. Lots of amenities. I'll show you around that, like I just said. In the morning, Kaya has things to say.
Hello, I know this is only a room tour, however, I wanted to share my guest experience. Because I have been here, I've stayed here when I was a convention goer myself at DECA Nationals, and I will say I love this hotel. I love the entire space. The convention center is beautiful. The food is great. The staff are so nice. They're so understandable, even to teenagers, which is a pretty hard sell for a lot of employees. The rooms are clean. All of the lobbies are clean. The beds are comfortable. The shower is nice, even if it is just a handheld. The pool is nice. It is beautiful. It is so clean. Highly recommend. One of my favorite places that I've stayed, definitely in Anaheim. I even like it better than the Disneyland hotel. So that's my overall experience from the past, but we'll see if it differs this time. I hope not.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching our room tour. Stay tuned. We'll show you a little bit of the lobby, the front, and I will let you know tomorrow how long the walk is from here to the front gate of Disneyland, because we're going in the morning.
Yay!
If you have not done so already, please do us a huge, big, fat favor. Hit that subscribe button. Ding the notification bell so you know when we post. Give us a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and we will see you next time, okay? Love you, bye.
Love you, bye.